High beta LUNR is expected to get more volatile in the coming days. High beta, because you can see here, beta says 3.12, meaning that if the broader market, for instance, is down 5%, LUNR generally it may be expected to drop by 15%. You multiply what the broader market has lost or gained by this beta value. So underlying trend is, let's see what we have for LUNR, is bullish, so bearish. I believe it is bearish. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's very bearish. Okay, and lower prices are not lower prices are expected to keep playing out at least up till the 17th of December, and it's not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average, even though it is up slightly 1.15%. I think that was the post market session. On Friday, the 7th, it gained 10% or there, about 10.05%. Projections are currently saying 8.97, 6.87, 5.56. That was as of Friday, the 14th. On Monday, the 13th, it had as high as 17.11, 19.51, $21. They have not been reiterated. Those projections have not been reiterated. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are currently out of profits. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah. Here as well on its 4-hour charts, lower prices are expected to keep printing. The downtrend is expected to remain in place. This downtrend began in the middle of October. Okay, and projections here are saying 6.4, 4.95, 4.05 as of Friday the 14th on this on this 4-hour chart. But on the previous day, the 13th, in the pre-market session, projections were saying 10.35, 10.89, 11.22. Okay. Positions opened all the way back to at least 40 hours ago are currently in profit because, obviously gained 10.05%. But I really can't say about the ones opened 84 hours ago. Yeah. Okay. So the probability of it retesting 9.98 or roughly $10 is very small, not less than 50%, surely less than 50%. 10.05 equally less than 50%. Yeah, so let's see. The stock was trending at some point on Friday the 7th, 14th. Let's find out more about what's going on.
Intuitive Machines continues to generate significant buzz following its recently disclosed acquisition of Lanteris Space Systems, a major move that signals the company's ambition to evolve from a niche lunar lander specialist into a full spectrum space systems provider. The acquisition is widely seen as a strategic attempt to broaden Intuitive Machines' technology stack, manufacturing capabilities, and contract pipeline, positioning it to compete for larger NASA, defense, and commercial contracts in the coming years. Adding to the momentum, Intuitive Machines also secured a $10 million grant from the Texas Space Commission aimed at supporting the development of two key projects: an Earth reentry vehicle and an orbital fabrication laboratory. The company expects to receive 1.5 million of this funding in Q3 2025, giving investors a clearer timeline for when capital will begin flowing into these initiatives. Many see these projects as aligned with the long-term vision for the cislunar economy, where in-orbit manufacturing, materials return, and re-entry technologies will play critical roles. Another major talking point is the insider buying activity disclosed on November 13th, 2025. Michael Blitzer, a director at Intuitive Machines, purchased 241,080 shares worth approximately $2.2 million, bringing his total holdings to 1,931,248 shares. Insider buying of this size is often interpreted as a strong vote of confidence from company leadership, especially coming on the heels of a transformative acquisition. Across social and investor communities, discussions are intensifying as people weigh the broader implications of these developments. Bulls argue that the combination of the Lanteris acquisition, state backed grant funding, and insider accumulation represents a clear signal of confidence and expansion. They believe Intuitive Machines is laying the groundwork to become a major player in the space infrastructure and aerospace manufacturing sectors, potentially competing with established names in satellite production, lunar logistics, and space technologies. Skeptics, however, continue to monitor execution risk, integration challenges with Lanteris, and the company's history of volatility. Still, even among cautious investors, the recent insider purchase has raised eyebrows and injected optimism into the conversation. Overall, the market is viewing these moves as a potential inflection point for Intuitive Machines, one that could redefine its trajectory as it aims to scale into a fully diversified space technology powerhouse.
Okay, going by the extrapolation, that is saying that by Friday the 21st, LUNR is still expected to remain depressed. Option traders may be evaluating what's going on its options grid. You can see here it has a November 21 series, November 21 option series. So these are some of the things they might be considering. The current price is 9.53. Let's see, there might be things there for them to do, consider what to, strategies to play, so amongst other things, that's the sort of things that might be going on. Okay, so let's see how things go. Yeah, let's see how it goes. It has two catalysts that may have, giving rise to this 10% it gained on Friday the 14th. The grant from the Texas Space Commission, and then the insider buying as well. Is that Texas State Commission? Let's see. Space Commission. Let's see. Texas. What is it called? I want to make sure I used the right term. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Texas. Into security. Yeah. Texas. Yeah. Yeah. I got it. Texas Space Commission. Yeah. So have a look and see what you make of LUNR, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.